This is our compost pile, completely empty. By the end of the season, we have used it all. Now I have here, this was a potato tower. The fire ants ate all the potatoes and left us with the greens. However, it's been sitting here since spring, and it rained on it many times. So I dug all the way to the middle of it. As you see, the top, it's wood chips all over. It's all wood chips. Nothing in here other than wood chips. And I dug to the middle where it's being composted, and I shoveled whatever I need, about 2/3 or 3/4 of a 5-gallon bucket. And here is what I shoveled, and then run it through this 1/2-inch hardwood cloth over another bucket to get rid of the large particles for the most part. This is what's left that didn't go through the hardware cloth. I will dump it back in this bucket and see what's left. So it's probably half and half. And this is what we get. This was a wood chips, 100% wood chips, composted. Smells like dirt. Then I'm gonna mix that with rabbit manure from under the rabbit cages, 1/3 of that, 1/3 rabbit manure, and 1/3 native dirt. Mix them together, and I'm gonna use that in some pots to do potting plants. Now I'm going to empty this bucket in an empty bucket, so the top will be bottom and bottom will be top, and can continue mixing. At this point, I'm not going to add native soil. This is perfectly fine, loose soil, very rich. Thank you very much for watching. That was impressive to me. I am getting a really good soil here that I'm very excited about it. I'll plant cilantro here, put it in the greenhouse, and I'll keep you updated. Please subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell, you get notified for future videos. And see you next time, and God bless you.